a consultant surgical oncologist at Fortis Cancer Institute and Precision Oncology Clinic, Bangalore. So the incident which made me take up oncology as my field was that I have seen cancer in my family and the impact it has on the patient and the family, and having gone through this experience, I thought I can make a change in the patient's life. So that made me choose oncology as a field. Trained in Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai, which is one among the premier cancer institutes in India and in the world. So the training involves a lot of hard work and sacrifice. So my work schedule was more than 12 hours there. I had to sacrifice on my food, my sleep, my family time. But at the end of the day, I know that all these sacrifice for the patient, and when I see a patient going home happily after recovering from cancer, that I have made a change in the patient's life. You know that you are the force standing between the patient and the cancer. So if you compromise on the surgery, then you're going to affect the patient's life. So this has kept me going on, and most of the cancer surgeries last for 6 to 8 hours, and you need to have that stamina so that you don't compromise on the quality of surgery, because that's going to make an impact on the patient's life. So as they grow up and as they watch me practice, if they develop an interest and passion for this profession, then I would encourage them to go ahead and choosing this profession. So an oncologist will feel disappointed when he sees that the cancer has come back, or when he sees a patient in an advanced stage and he knows that he cannot do much. So everyone has their own mechanism of dealing with stress. So I usually listen to music, read, or exercise. I have hobbies in like aquarium or gardening, which keeps me off my stress. Okay, and oncology work schedule is very hectic. So you need to maintain a work-life balance so that you give adequate time to your family as well, because the time you spend with your family refreshes you, and so that you're ready for the next day, and that keeps you going on. The answer is a straight yes. So I love my work as a surgeon, and there is no doubt that if given a chance again, I will always choose surgery as a branch, because surgery is an interesting branch, because every day, every surgery is different, and you know that a good surgery can make a lot of difference for a cancer patient. Cancer is associated with a lot of stigma. Why do patients fear cancer? Because they don't know about cancer and they have heard a lot of bad stuff about cancer. So the first thing you need to do when you have to overcome this fear and anxiety is that you have to educate the patients about what cancer is, what are the treatment modalities involved, what are the side effects involved, and that cancer treatment is a journey, and that all of us as a team are going to go through this journey. So once you educate the patients about all these aspects, they are a lot more confident and they are able to go through the cancer treatment easily. For example, a breast cancer patient who is going to lose hair because of chemotherapy, or is going to lose the breast because of the disease, if you counsel them about the solutions which are available in terms of wig or an reconstructive options which are available after breast removal, then they are a lot more confident to undergo the treatment. What their journey of cancer treatment is going to be, what is the different treatment modalities involved, what are the side effects involved, and what are the financial implications. Because if they know about the entire journey, they'll be better prepared for it, and they should also know if they are on the right path from the beginning, because a wrong step taken in the beginning will lead to a wrong treatment and it can compromise a patient's life.
cannot thank enough Dr. Bharat and his team of doctors for the support, kindness, and their expertise throughout my treatment journey. It was not just like one day or 1 month. It started in March 2020, but it is still going on, and it is a longer association, especially in the cancer case. It's a very longer association compared to other disease, I guess. Doctor and patient association is for a very longer period. Uh, I felt like they designed they they precisely designed a treatment plan that was very individualized and that I could onboard with it. And I should say thank you for him and his team of doctors for everything they did so far to save my life and cure the disease.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ತೊಂದರೆ ಏನು ಆಗಲಿ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರು. ನನ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ತೊಂದರೆನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸರಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು, ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾತಾಡಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸುನೀಲ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ. ನಂಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸಹ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈಗ 4 o'clock ಹೋದೆ, ನಾಳೆ ದಿವಸ ನನ್ನ 12 o'clock ಮನೆಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್. ನನ್ಗೇನ್ ಭಯ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಅವ್ರ ಕೈ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರು ಆಪರೇಷನ್, ತೊಂದರೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋವು ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನ ಬೇರೊಬ್ರು ಸಹಿತ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಸುನೀಲ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಅವ್ರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.